One of the challenges with business brokers is that when you find information on a company, they tend to have dressed it up or optimized it to try and make the business look better. And basically it's a load of fabrication and bullshit, because what they do is they take the company's accounts and they take out everything you wish you hadn't spent. You know, when you're running a business, you have everything you sold and everything you spent. Some things work, some things don't work. They take away the things that didn't work and pretend that's the numbers that the company did. Well, obviously this is massively misleading. It wastes tons of everybody's time. It doesn't stand up to an awful lot of scrutiny. So whenever you see this like adjusted profit or adjusted EBITDA, they sometimes put, this is what they really mean. They mean made up or complete bullshit EBITDA or profit. And I mean, you can search things on published company records often and see that they've sometimes inflated the figures by as much as 10 times. So it really does waste everybody's time. You can be a really busy fool chasing broker deal.